Hello, subscribe to my channel, like the video. Hello, this is Super Kids and I am going to do a challenge. Actually, no, I'm going to do sing a song. Okay. Found it. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh la. Ooh la 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 Finish time finishing your song and let's unbox something. It's time to finish the song and let's unbox something. Oh Bobby, bring something. Wear mask, alright. Subscribe, like the channel. If you like it, subscribe. Hit the bell button and below the comment say I have liked, subscribed and turn on the bell notifications. Okay? Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. It's almost about time he brings it. Bolo, it's almost about time he's bringing it. It's almost about the time he's bringing it. So let's wait for a while. Unboxing and religion पे डालना सही है. So he is almost here. About 5 or 10 minutes he's here. Bobby, hurry up! Okay, coming. It's a little Bobby. Bobby, where are you? Coming, sir, coming. Can't find the thingy. अब मुझे नहीं देखना. Today we are boxing a headphone.
This is the Kama brand.
This is the Kama brand headphone. Let's
Yes.
unbox it. Let's see.
We also have a Dell mouse.
We also have a Dell mouse
Sponsored
here.
by Dell.
Sponsored by Dell if you want.
And a mouse pad.
And a mouse pad. Sponsored by the mouse. First we are going to unbox this.
Not a good packaging.
This is the Dell mouse wired. If you want, Dell, sponsored by Dell. And let's
Let's test it on this.
Let's test it on something
Later on in the video, I will test it.
later on. I will test it. Now this is the Dell mouse.
मुझे नहीं देखना अपनी हैक थोड़ी सी पकड़ो.
This is the Dell mouse with LED and wired. It's wired. Now let's unbox the mouse pad. Mouse pad. This is the Dell mouse pad. It's comfy from here. You could put your hand over here like that. It's actually shape of a hand, so you could get it from anywhere, but it's expensive, so we will put this with the mouse. And the last thing, the Gamma headphones.
You can use it on PlayStation 4.
You can use it on PlayStation 4, laptops, and PC, and phones. This is one ported only,
And it has a big mic.
and it has a mic over here. This is the mic. Open it.
So I can
Yeah, open. Bobby.
Yes, sir. I'm Bobby. No.
Okay.
I can handle that Bobby. I'm Bobby. I'm his helper. I can bring him things now.
This is the wired headphones from Gamma, sponsored by Gamma. They could stretch like this. They
It
could
has instruction book and it has this on it. Please read it.
Thank you, Bobby. This is the Gamma headphones
You must
with this.
go to this site. Go.
This sponsored by Gamma.
http support.madcats.com. You have to
It's
go here.
comfy. This. It's comfy. It's available anywhere. You could do anything like this. You could also move the mic if you want to. Not say you can do this. It has this if you want to unmute.
It has a 3.5mm headphone jack port. I'm going to plug it in and please listen to it carefully.
And this is the mute. This is mute. This is the volume. This is the headphones sponsored by Kama. If you want, you could take these from Kama. They're sponsored by them. They're great. They're comfy from here. They could do anything.
I will test it for you guys. It has a mic here, if you can hear me perfectly. Okay, I'm his Bobby. I'm Bobby. Okay, this has a volume here, if you can see it closely. This is right now unmuted. If I do it bottom, it will go mute. I'm not doing it so that you can hear me. Now you must hear me. Can you hear me? Okay. Now I'm going to hand it back to Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali.
It's awesome. Was it comfy, Bobby? From here. Was it comfy?
Yes, it was a lot comfier than I thought it would be. Now I'm going to bring the PS4's remote and I'm going to show you how it fits in it.
So Bobby is bringing her PS4 Pro's remote controller, so we could show how well this works, how good this is, how comfy it is, how big, how good it is. So we could put this in here if you see these. Okay, this is what you can see. These are the ports. This is a charging port, and this is a mic port. If we put the mic, it's going to go power in this. Bobby, try it.
No, thank you. Not right now.
Okay,
Now
now
we'll be testing the mouse. So
we will be testing mouse.
I'm plugging it into the laptop. This is the USB Type A.
Type A, yes. USB Type A. If you hear that, you could see that this is the new tab. Put it. Do you see the mouse?
This works on the laptop. It can also work on PC and PS4 if you want to.
If you want to, it could connect, but if you want to play with this thing, you need a keyboard, not a laptop or something else. Put it, Bobby, back.
And it is really soft to use.
And it's soft from here also. If
I
you
will
want
show
to
you.
put your hand.
If you are using it, you can keep your arm right here so that you can move it around easily.
Yes, that is right. And if you want to
See
more videos, subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. If you don't, there's going to be a spider in your bed at night. Ha 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 ha. There's going to be a spider in your bed at night.
Subscribe right now, or else at 1,000 likes we'll have a new video posting.
Subscribe right now. We will have get it to 50,000 likes. If you do it, we will make another video of unboxing. See you in the next video. Boom.